Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. So go on over to the Windows Start button right here, and then we can go to where it says All. And we just want to search for the Microsoft Edge Internet Browser. This is the default one that comes installed on your PC. So just go down to the M section, and here it is, Microsoft Edge. Open this up, and then you know what to do from here. You can just go to google.com if you want. Otherwise, there is a search engine on here. I believe it's Bing. So we can just type in install Chrome or something like that. And then under here, we can go to where it says download Google Chrome today. So let's just click this, and then we can go to download Chrome right here. And it's going to be in the top right. We can open this file up and then go to yes when it pops up on your screen. Then we won't need this browser anymore. So we can close this down. And then we can prepare the install for Google Chrome. Now it's going to give me a couple different options of what account to sign in for. Maybe you need to go to add and sign in with your Google account right here. You can continue without an account too. So you have that as an option. So I already have Google Chrome on my computer. So I can just go down here and I can open it up wherever I have it. And then I can log in. And this is Google Chrome. So I'm logged in with my account. I can go to my Gmail easy. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.